Tap to load on Snapchat not working. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix tap to load on Snapchat not working problem. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, the tap to load errors on the Snapchat can be caused by the various factors such as network issue, app loading problem, and setting on your device. You will have to try some steps to fix this issue. So guys, you can restart your phone and turn off your phone, then turn it back on, and this can help resolve any underlying glitches. So also guys, you can check your internet connection. Also guys, you can check your internet connection because ensure that your device is connected to the internet, as a poor connection can cause the tap to load error also. Also guys, you can clear the app's cache. Clearing the cache for the Snapchat can help fix many issues, and this can be done by the Android phone, that you have to go to your phone setting, and then after that you will have to search for the Snapchat app. So let me find this app and let me go to the apps option, and after that I will have to tap on the manage apps, and then I will have to search for the Snapchat. So from there you can see that you, after tapping on the clear data, you will clear all the data and the cache from this from the Snapchat. So also guys, if the top to lab error persists after trying these methods, consider reaching out to Snapchat support or seeking assistance from your device manufacturer. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.